If your iPhone apps are stuck on waiting while downloading or updating from the App Store, then there are several steps you can take to resolve the issues. Firstly, start with ensuring you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Slow or unstable connections can prevent apps from downloading as well. After that, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device, and now inside the Settings, scroll down and tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as outdated software can sometimes cause app issues. If there is any updates available, simply install it. After that, try forced restarting your iPhone. A forced restart can help resolve more persistent issues as well. After that, go back to the settings, scroll down and tap on the screen time option available there. Now once inside the screen time, scroll down again and tap on the content privacy and restrictions. Then simply toggle on the content privacy and restrictions. Then there you can see iTunes and app purchase option available. Tap on it. After you tap on it, make sure it all is in allow option. If it is in don't allow, then make sure to toggle it into the allow option. After it is on allow option, all you have to do is turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Then simply go back to the settings, and now inside settings, tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then simply tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset all settings option available there. So that is it. By following this step, you should be able to fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.